Hello student, we'll see introduction of interrupt, sources of interrupt and interrupt vectors. What is mean by interrupt? The interrupt is a signal to processor emitted by hardware or software indicating an event that needs immediate attention. For example, if processor is work on one task like continuous monitoring temperature and some motor working with microcontroller and suddenly temperature is raised, the sense of temperature and the threshold value is already set. The value is go above of threshold. We have to give intimation to microcontroller what action should take by microcontroller, that what action should take by microcontroller is written into the interrupt subroutine, and the rise in temperature, sudden rise in temperature will be treated as a interrupt because it stopped the further process and microcontroller has to take an immediate action. After sudden increase in temperature, what task microcontroller has to do? Either switch on the fan or cooling system. So that task is what start the fan. So the immediate attention is start change the temperature and switch on the fan or cooling system. Whenever the interrupt occurs, the controller complete the execution of current instruction and start the execution of an interrupt subroutine, service subroutine or interrupt handler. Now I given one example that task. For example, one more task will say, if you are working on a computer and suddenly one unknown key you have pressed, like delete, you're writing something and suddenly accidentally you press the delete. That time what happened, the processor will type the whatever the instruction given through keyboard, and it will look into the delete option. If I press the delete button, what action should take by processor or your computer processor, that after delete what action it should take? Delete that data, or delete that file, or delete that character. So it will complete their execution whatever the processor is doing and starts to execution. After delete, what it has to do, it return into the interrupt service routine. One more example I'll take. In bottle filling is there on conveyor belt. It filling with the some ml of water, some ml of liquid. For example, the bottle is filling with the 20 ml of liquid. If some accident will happen, the bottle is get overfilled with the liquid. The next action should be their robotic arm or that automation plant, they remove that bottle which are already excess fill. So remove that bottle from conveyor belt. That action is written into the interrupt subroutine. There are two types of interrupts: software interrupts and hardware interrupts. In software interrupts comes from the program that runs by the processor and requests the processor to stop the running the program to make the interrupt and then return to continuous to execute the program. The software interrupt, it is written in the your program like timer. We can use a timer as an interrupt. Some two successive operations are there, and if you want to put some delay, so you can call the timer as a delay over here. So your timer will act as a internal software interrupt. Then hardware interrupt, these are the sent to microcontroller by hardware devices as a third party, like suddenly switching of key while process, continuous process, sudden trace of key is a third party interrupt or hardware interrupts. There are in peak 18 there are interrupts are given: INT pin interrupt, TMR overflow, port B, port B change interrupt, comparator. 3 pins are assigned for port B as a external interrupt. Then comparator change interrupt, parallel slave port interrupt, USART serial communication interrupt, receive interrupt, transmit interrupt. Already seen the two bits are assigned for the overflow. A to D converter complete interrupt, LCD interrupt, data EEPROM write complete interrupt, timer 0 overflow interrupt, timer 2 overflow interrupt, CCP interrupt and SSP interrupt. Timer 1, timer 2, then transmit receive. We are already seen ADC. We are already seen these interrupts in our earlier lectures. Interrupt vector, if you remember or not, in program memory, before a stack is from stack is given, and after stack 3 memory locations are assigned for the interrupt location. So interrupt are assigned as a high priority and low priority. For high priority they are assigned address default location 008 and low priority interrupt is 0018. 3 interrupts are set aside for this external hardware interrupt from pin number RB0, RB1, RB2 are for the external hardware interrupt. INT0, see INT0, this INT1, INT0 and INT2. 3 interrupts are there. 3 pins are assigned to interface external interrupt on these 3 pins. Thank you, student.